The building has amazing new open spaces at all levels. Multiple lounges. It was really important for us in computer science to be able to have the kinds of nooks, the kinds of spaces for accidental interactions so that people could just find the right space for the way that they like to work. We wanted to bring the outside into the building. You see lots of verandas kind of hanging out from the south side of the building that you can go out onto, trees and other plants living inside the building, natural light. So we really did also want to think about the connection between the building and the outside world. We want buildings today to be a reflection of the opportunity to build in a natural environment, incredible environmental efficiency properties through engineering, and you do that by making buildings that are passive. So bringing the outside in is really one important way to achieve that.
It'll also include our undergraduate student lounge. A lot of area for students to collaborate on problem sets and projects. We've grouped the undergraduate student lounge, the student club meeting areas, the garages for the robotics and car teams, together with the maker space that's just up one flight of stairs. So you can imagine students zipping around, building pieces for their cars, for their Engineers Without Borders projects, talking to advisors who have offices in that same space. And it's grouped around the big open atrium.
Allowing students who are en route to class to be able to look around, look up through the atrium spaces, and see that there are lots of other activities taking place at the same time. At the moment that students go away to their college houses for lunch, how great would it be if we could eat together? We will be able to interact with the students through a cafeteria space. We can bring people not only into traditional classroom spaces, but we've designed these wonderful flexible teaching classrooms where they will let people work in teams.
We need flat places where we can engage in new kinds of teaching that are becoming popular. Flipped classroom, project-based learning, and so on. And that'll make a big difference for the kind of innovative teaching we'll be able to do there. The robotics labs should be quite interesting. There are lots of curved walls, lots of little islands encased in glass that'll hold various specialty labs. We're going to have state-of-the-art bioengineering and environmental engineering labs. We want the equipment in those spaces to be every bit as good as our state-of-the-art research labs. We're going to have electrical engineering spaces where students can build new electronic circuits, and the same with mechanical engineering. Our students will all share offices, and we'll have intermixed lab space as well, so that hopefully the free flow of ideas and collaborations will be encouraged by this layout.
One of the things that we can achieve is we can use this building, for example, for shared teaching spaces. So we can bring faculty from outside of the school into the building to teach. The building is going to be big, but we want to foster a sense of community in the building. And one of the things also is that it's a new building, but it's important that the students, undergrad, masters, feel that the building is theirs to be comfortable in, to be able to create, to be able to innovate in. So you want the building to be supporting and enabling, not constraining of activities. On the research side, those faculty who need it have, of course, been looking for the right types of core research facilities that would be shared between them to help them to advance their research agendas. The community that I want is a community that feels very fluid, very open, very accessible. I want people to be able to work dynamically in different size groups and different sizes of groups. I want lots of space for making, for doing, for thinking. I want the community to be diverse in all dimensions that matter to us. And I want everybody to feel happy, productive to be there.